Struggling with weak radio signals or static in your GM vehicle? The ACDelco GMOE digital radio antenna promises to restore crystal clear reception and strong signal strength, so you can enjoy your favorite stations without interruptions. If you rely on your car radio for entertainment or news, this antenna makes a noticeable difference in sound quality and reliability. I recently replaced the digital radio antenna on my 2014 GM High Country with the ACDelco GMOE model. The fit was perfect, just like the original factory part. Installation wasn't complicated, especially after watching a quick YouTube tutorial. I also followed other users' advice and applied a silicone ring around the edges to ensure a tight seal. The result? No interference, no static, and the antenna has held up perfectly through rain, snow, and multiple car washes. Compared to the dealership's $300 quote for part and labor, this was a clear win. What makes the ACDelco GMOE digital radio antenna stand out is its construction. Built to GM's original equipment specifications, it guarantees the exact fit, form, and function you expect. Its durable materials resist corrosion and weather damage, so you won't have to worry about replacing it anytime soon. Plus, it's designed to protect against signal interference, delivering consistent, high-quality digital radio reception every time you drive. If you want a reliable, cost-effective replacement that meets GM's standards, this antenna is worth a look. Try it when you're ready and experience the difference in your vehicle's radio performance.